How to turn off autofill payment forms on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off autofill payment forms on Facebook mobile. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now just go down until you find this one, and then click here if you want to turn it off. And as you see now, autofill payment forms have been turned off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.